body. Yeah, hold the. No, hold it right
It's
here.
not gonna pull you in.
How's it
Keep on reeling it. Keep on reeling it up.
How's it
Keep on reeling it up.
Look at it. You'll see it.
Keep on reeling it up. Keep on reeling it up.
So that's that. Not a big
Go,
one.
go, go.
I got a big one. That's not a baby.
Pick it up.
All the way.
Hey. All right.
Careful, careful, you're gonna get somebody.
Okay, let's go over here. I want to take a picture. Come on, go down. Come down. Come here, Caysen. You hold this. You hold the pole and hold the rope. Here, here. Hold the pole with one hand and hold the rope with one hand. There you go. Mama, take a picture for you. Come on, just keep an eye on where your fish is at. Keep an eye on it. This way, this way, this way. Keep on go. Okay, reel it up. Reel it up, reel it up. Just reel it up. Reel it up, reel it up, reel it up. No, no, not yet, not yet. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Good job. Bring it over. This is a little bit bigger. Alright.
I have to just grab this.
Yeah, let me see the pit. Don't move it, don't move it.
Careful, careful, careful.
That's cool. How many you got compared to Noah? Keep on reeling in. Keep on reeling in. You can do it. Keep on reeling it. Just you can do it. Come on, you can do it, bud.
It's probably the biggest one you got so far.
Just keep doing it. It's okay. Just keep doing it. Oh, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, keep reeling it. Slowly reel it up. Keep on reeling it up. Reeling it up. Keep reeling it up. Keep reeling it up. Hold it. Hold your rod tightly. Tight. Okay, hold on. Hold on to the rod. Keep reeling it up. Reel it up. Keep reeling it up. Keep reeling it up. Come on, pay attention. Let's go. Let's go. Right, reel it up. Reel it up. Reel it up. Reel it up. Quickly, quickly. No, you can do it. You can just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, okay. Now lift it up. Lift it up. Yeah. Go get it, Wade. No, just leave it on. Leave it on there. Leave it on there. Get it. Come down, Caysen.
Caysen, pop it over.
No, it's not his name. His name's AJ.
AJ, can we get a measure, please?
I got you right here.
Awesome. AJ,
What do we got?
Got 13 and a half.
13 and a half.
Oh my god, that was big.
I got you.
That was the biggest one yet.
I guess we got it.
Okay.
73. What's your name, buddy? Got that measuring down there?
That's so big. Okay, I'll show it.
Still going.
17.
Oh, 17?
Yeah.
Just short.
Yeah, I really wish I
Thank you.
Come on. Reel it up, reel it up, reel it up, reel it up.
It's not that big. It's not that big.
Okay, reel it in.
Not that big.
You guys are going by biggest, right?
Yeah.
That's smaller than the last one you thought. No, it's fine. He's good.
Don't say that. You know what happened last time?
Leave this on your body right here. Hold it up here. Hold it up here. There you go. Hold it on your body. Yeah. On your head. Yeah. Reel it up. Reel it up. Reel it up.
Keep reeling, buddy.
Come on down. Come on
Reel
down.
it.
Come on down.
I think it's a 17-inch again.
Caysen,
Come on
hold
down.
it.
It's a 17-inch again.
I don't think that's 17.
Yeah, I think it's 17.
Caysen, come here.
Okay, gate group 6010 for the most of this caught for AJ Trip.
Yeah. Yeah, go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Look, we got some for you.
You forgot something.
Yeah. Hold on.
I can't take a picture
Hold
right now.
on,
I need
hold
to.